Welcome to the fourth in our Squedge series. In this video, we'll show you how to build a medallion quilt using the elements from the Bending the Line book, A, B, and C. Can you believe with these simple elements, we can make this medallion quilt? Or this black and gold sample? Or this bright batik one? Well, stay through to the end of the video when we'll reveal the secrets to these beauties. Be sure to watch the first 3 Bending the Line videos so you can understand the basic. Now let's go beyond the 16s and make 8 and 12-inch ones. And let's put them all together, A, B, and C. It's elementary, my dear. Twist and turn the same ABC quads, putting them together for this arrangement. Now rotating from the center, what a surprise. Here it is in fabric, the same 4 quads. Now let's take the same ABC layout and switch the C's. Tile this block out, rotate the blocks so they come together in the center. Now switch the quads to make a circle, and this is block 2. Found on page 24. How about an upgrade? Using the same layout, but with 8-inch blocks, you've got another option. Rearrange the pieces again, changing the outside blocks, and now you've got a fresh look. Here's one from page 17 in the book. And here it is upgraded. The same design in the center, only with 8-inch blocks and the corner blocks flipped. Building from the center, add another ring of quads. In essence, you have 3 rows of 3, like a 9 patch. The math? 3 times 8 equals 24 inches, just like 2 times 12 equals 24 inches. So now we can add 12 inches to the side for a terrific medallion. This is how we've designed our project. But how do you make this? You construct it differently than you designed it. Let's break it apart in 4 pieces. Here's a grid of that quarter piece, and now with the quads labeled. Focusing first on the 8-inch quads, sew this section together. Now for 12-inch blocks around 2 sides. Make 4 identical and tile out. Rotate the A blocks to the center. Now that we know how, it's time for some new colors. Tile and rotate. Such fun. Now look at what you can do. This is from our Kings Courtyard pattern. Let me show you. Here's an A, and another A, and still another A, all A's. And here's a B, and another B. Both are just reversed color-wise from what you've been seeing. Here's a C and a C+. Fabrics change, but the blocks, they're just A's, B's, and C's. The finished quilt is 48 inches. If you make the same blocks but use a 12-inch tool, it will be 36 inches square. With 8-inch blocks, you'll have a 24-inch quilt. Be sure to download our Kings Courtyard conversion charts for the smaller sizes. You can get all of the Squedge tools, 16, 12, or 8-inch, and the Bending the Line book, and the Kings Courtyard pattern at phillipsfiberart.com. Hope to see you there.